after my husband left me. I was obsessed with him, obsessed with his actions, obsessed with what he was saying to other people. And I knew that I had to really change my energy and my focus. So I started asking, what should I do instead of why did he do? And I would say that was the biggest thing that got me moving. It got me out of victim mode and it got me into action mode. I started to kind of cling to tiny practices. Like, I would be grateful for one thing every single day. I would try and name one thing to be grateful for. And in those early days, like, it was literally as small as I got my coffee before it went cold. I didn't have to stick it in the microwave. Like, we went like micro on this because it just felt too hard to actually be grateful for anything bigger at that time. I also began journaling. So just like pouring out all the messy thoughts and questions I had about him that he would never answer. I put them all down on paper until I kind of started to make sense of them myself.